John VDM 13. Thought I'd give you guys an update on this Cub Cadet 102, considering I had cleaned it up a couple days ago. And this is how it turned out. I just basically brushed all the dust off with with a rag and stuff like that, and it was coated on there pretty hard, so I had to use easy off BAM, and that seemed to work. This is the condition that the Cub was left in for being in a barn for about 25 plus years. It's not bad. Cleaned up nicely if you ask me. Just unfortunate that the back tires are rotten. As you can tell, nasty. Oh well. But yeah, it's not too bad really. Clean up nicely. It's not bad. Of course, a motorcycle, it's tarped away right now. Oh, it's cold out here. Then there's the Rouser II. Hope we can get that running sometime. And we're back at square root 1 when I, or not square root 1, but check this out. No steering. Oh well. Oh man. Well, I don't really have much to film for you guys because it's getting colder weather. I guess I could try and start that up. It's a cold start though, but and the seat's nice and wet. Beautiful. Let that drain down a little bit. This is a 25 horse Kohler Command V twin. Don't know what the model of the tractor is. This is a GT something or other, so GT garden tractor, you know, no brainer. This thing is built. It's heavy duty. Clean some of this leaves and everything off of it first. Soak myself getting on this thing. Should be good enough. Wait, is the battery even in this? Yep. Let's just hope that the battery's fine. If battery's dead, then I guess I got no cold start for you guys. This thing is a lot like a standard car almost. You gotta push the brake in or clutch or whatever just to try and start it. Well, I'm gonna put on low, not low, but right there. Hopefully. Oh, choke out. Brake in. Not bad. Well, there's your cold start. Cold start of the Kohler. Gotta give me a second. Had to pull up my pants. You see, I've lost about 52 pounds already this year. I haven't weighed myself in the last month or so, so I don't know how much I am now. And I still got the same belt, so. And, you know, same size pants from when I was bigger, so, you know, not easy. Everything I do, they always droop down. I don't like it. I gotta get new pants sometime, but you know. Good for me though for losing weight. But no, there just hasn't been really much going on. It's just that I sold this for 150. I had it less than, believe it or not, 24 hours, and guy came over and says, well, this was before I cleaned it. He says, well, how much would you sell it for in the condition it's in? And it was unclean because I cleaned it. I says, well, it's the condition it's in, honestly, 150 bucks. And I says, just the rear piece right there. I have no idea. It's some kind of like PTO or some kind of whatever the heck it is. I don't know. That's worth about 150 bucks alone. Not to mention the starter generator is probably about 120. The seat is probably, say, about 75 bucks. Maybe because of the condition it's in, I say probably about just the seat itself, I'd probably sell alone just 25 bucks. It can be cleaned up a lot more. It's just, that was just you know, to look at. It still has the factory blue paint on it too. This thing's clean, like not much for rust. Well, that's what's been going on so far. Just basically that, and just motorcycle. Weather's getting worse. I don't really film in the winter because I don't do anything outside. Best for the bike, as you can tell, it's sitting right there, so it's not bad. Needs parts. That's, you know, what all doesn't. Yeah, I still got this thing, gotta scrap it. That's pretty much, as I said, all. Just been boring, you know. Well, there's a little update for you guys and what all I've been doing. This is John VDM 13 signing off. Take care, you guys.